How to get Micah's revolver in Chapter 1.
So, what are we doing, Dutch? What the hell are you doing? God damn it!